Our whole universe was in a hot, dense state that nearly 14 billion years ago expansion started. Wait, the earth began to cool, the autotrophs began to drool, Neanderthals developed tools, we built a wall. We built the pyramids. Math, science, history, unraveling the mystery that all started with a big bang.
In order to explain, we have to identify which of the actions. To start, we have the force of the weight caused by the car that is inclined. The first is the weight. The weight, this is the force that is the product of the acceleration of the gravity and the mass of the object. In this case, that on inclined surface, that is force weight breaks down into the two forces. One of these is the pushes, the surfaces, and the other that is pulls the object down. For example, this is the push of the object down, and this is the push forces. And I draw in this triangle. This is the first weight, the white A weight, and this is the weight X. Now we find the normal force. What is the normal force? This is the response of the surface you are on to the weight. And on a sleeping surface, the normal force is equal to the force pushing the sub-forces but in opposite direction. For example, I draw the normal force, and the normal force is the opposite direction, and this is the normal force. And the pulling forces, that is the crane exerts uphill, that is the also breaks in the two others. This is X and Y components. So so the so now I draw the X and X components for the pulling forces. So and we see that this is the first and really the X pulling forces, that is the cable between the car and the crane here, and this I draw in this part. Okay, now the next is the surface, and I draw in this part here the pulling force X component X. Here then we have this, but where is the friction? Where is the friction? Well, the friction is between the car's tire and the surface. So I draw the friction in this part. And this part is the same that this. Here here you can find the friction.